In this video, I'll show you how to leave a group chat on Instagram. Whether you're done with the conversation or just need a break, it's easy to leave. I'll walk you through the steps so you can get out of the chat and move on with your day. If you're ready to learn how to leave a group chat on Instagram, watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open up the Instagram app and then let's go over to the chat screen by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see at the top, it is a group chat, so let's go ahead and open that up. So in order to leave this group chat, what you want to do is tap on the group name at the very top of the screen. And then once you are on this screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And as you can see, the very last option is to leave the chat. Simply tap on that and it will show you two options. You can tap on leave or cancel. So if you simply tap on leave without choosing a new admin, the admin role will be randomly assigned to any member that's on this group chat. If you want to select someone specific to be the group admin, tap on cancel, and then you can choose a new admin by tapping on these three little dots next to the person that you want to be the new admin, and then tap on make admin. So right now, I have set Buzzy as the new admin for this group chat. After that, tap on leave chat, and tap on leave. And there you go. You have successfully left that group chat. So the people that are still in group chat will be able to chat, but you won't be a part of that group chat anymore. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.